Unlock the power of instant communication by mastering Twilio SMS messaging. First, we'll navigate to the Twilio console. This is your central hub for managing all your Twilio services, including sending your first SMS. The crucial first step is authentication. You'll need your account SID and Auth token from your Twilio console's API credentials section. Keep these secure. They're like your API's secret handshake. Next, we format the message. Think of this as constructing the SMS itself. You'll specify the recipient's phone number, the message content you want to send, and importantly, your Twilio phone number, which will act as the sender. Now, let's integrate this into your application. We'll demonstrate sending an SMS. Using code, this involves making an API request to Twilio, providing your authentication credentials and the message details we just prepared. We'll provide Reddit code examples in your favorite programming languages. Simply adapt these templates to send messages from your own system. To ensure your messages reliably reach their destination, we'll cover delivery optimization. This means understanding how to set up callbacks or webhooks, which provide real-time updates on message status, whether it was sent, delivered, or failed. We'll also touch upon best practices for compliance and deliverability. This includes respecting opt-out requests and adhering to common carrier regulations, ensuring your messages are well received and avoid getting flagged. By following these steps, you'll be able to send SMS messages with confidence, fostering reliable communication channels for your users and your business.